when you started at that time, because your dad's an actor, did you have anything in your head कि यार मुझे पापा जैसे बनना है, पापा जैसे नहीं बनना है?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं था, क्योंकि जब मैं पैदा हुई थी, my dad was kind of having a low phase at that time. वो इतना काम नहीं कर रहे थे. He was a huge actor, and in the 90s and 80s predominantly he was the lead actor. फिर उसके बाद he kind of started doing different kind of work. There was long periods of time जब वो काम नहीं कर रहे थे. I would see him sitting at home, and बचपन में I think I must have been on set only once or twice with him. ऐसा नहीं था कि वो बहुत ही busy है, इतना सारा काम कर रहे हैं, या हमारे घर के बाहर thousands of people are standing. मैंने ऐसा देखा नहीं था with him growing up. तो it wasn't like मुझे ऐसा बनना है, वैसा बनना है, ऐसा कुछ dad के साथ comparison नहीं था. I was just
But कुछ तो होता है ना, because that's there. So you must be thinking कि this one thing मैं अपने dad से pick up करूँगी और ये नहीं करूँगी, मुझे ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना कभी भी.
जो मेरे dad से definitely मुझे pick up करना है, I think it's his versatility and his openness to change. क्योंकि I feel like he's done all kinds of work. He's played the lead roles, he's played the smaller roles, he's played negative roles, he's played comedy roles. तो उन्होंने सब किया. He's done movies in Gujarati and Tamil and every possible language that he is getting work in. He's done OTT, he's done the big films. तो उन्होंने सब किया, and he's been very open to change, which I feel is such a lovely thing, and I hope that मैं भी वो कर सकती हूँ.
And what is one thing you don't want to repeat which your dad did?
What I don't want to repeat that my dad did, I don't know. मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं है.
सोचो.
अब मैं सोच रही हूँ. I think, कभी-कभी I'll put it like this. मेरे dad, because he's from a different kind of school of cinema and acting, sometimes he thinks कि commercial films ही सब कुछ है. You have to do the big massy films and that's it. And I think the generation that I'm in, अभी जो actors हैं, we want to do a little bit of everything. We don't want to just do the
we want to do the impact movies,
everything. We want to be able to perform, and every chance we get to do that, we are all grabbing it as fast as we can. So maybe that's something that me and my dad disagree on. That for me, he would love to see his daughter in those big masala commercial films like he's done, And I sometimes are like, nahi, I don't want to play a small role in a big film. I'd rather play a big role in a small film.
Nice.
But actually, I think that perception of his is also changing, because after Call Me Bae, he was very, very proud. And he was like, I would not have advised you at this point in your career, do an OTT show. But seeing the love that you're getting for this, I'm very happy and I'm very proud. So you do whatever you want to do.